Welcome everyone to Rigaku Analytical Devices. My name is John, I'm a service engineer here, and today we're going to go through your kit for your KT-100 system. It comes in a custom durable Pelican case, so we're going to take a look and see what's inside. So your kit is going to include your KT-100S analyzer, shown here, and in your holster. Your docking station, which also comes with an AC power adapter. 2 lithium rechargeable batteries. A toolkit, which will include your stylus pen, small screwdriver, and microfiber towel. We have a nice bag of swabs for your windows. Your sample system check, which will include 7075 and 316. We have your USB cable for connecting your instrument to your PC for downloading your reports. Your USB flash drive, which will include your user guide, your quick start guide, laser safety data, and general information. Up top here, we have a couple extra sheets. You have your safety data sheets for your laser safety, and you have a quick start guide. And thank you for choosing Rigaku.